Hello, everybody, and happy Friday. It's the last school day of the week. And today, what we're going to be doing for our lesson is really focusing on how what we've been learning about this week applies to the modern day world, and specifically a topic that is very relevant to the world today and many of our lives: immigration. Seeing how the topics we've been talking about with the 14th Amendment and expanding people's rights during Reconstruction directly tie to and are linked to the modern day immigrant rights movement and how this has changed and evolved over US history. We saw how the 14th Amendment really expands the protections and freedoms of the US Constitution. And while its aim and focus was originally on freed people, the formerly enslaved people after the Civil War, these freedoms and protections have been expanded and really helped lots of different people across US society and history. But today we're going to focus on immigration. And this really is going to connect to issues that are still happening in the world today. And so while our lesson today is really heavy on videos, there's a good amount of videos. Please make sure you're paying attention. There's some collaborate boards after every single one of them. And again, today's lesson might be a little intense, possibly triggering for some people because it's going to bring up not only good things, but also, unfortunately, bad things that have happened and are still happening in the world today. And this really shows that injustice and oppression didn't stop. It just kind of evolved. And just like people in the 1800s were fighting against slavery and pushing for equality for all people, that's still something very similar that people are working on today, working to end the systems of injustice and really work towards making things better in the future. So, again, this is up to us and really connecting to how these issues still live in the world today. And there's still a continued need to push forward the fight for equality and freedom and justice for all people. But I hope you enjoy the lesson today, find it interesting, relatable to the world we live in now and people you might know. And let me know if you have any questions. But this lesson definitely focuses on the world we live in now, bringing it home to the modern day.